Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again in Krishik's Zone. So today I am back with a new video, guys. Yes, and as you know, I have not completed the Yarnabi map there. So this time I'm going to complete the Yarnabi map, and I will also do the Huggy Wuggy wala if I can. So guys, I know you are all again excited. So guys, please keep watching the video till the end. And as I told you, I will give you the surprise if you do likes in my 30,000 like. I mean, what 30,000? If you do 20,000 likes. So please, guys, do a like, man. Please, please, please. I'm not using my channel for years, man. Please, please. I will give you a surprise. I told you. Even then, if you are not subscribing, then how can I give you the surprise, right? That's the problem that I wanted to say. I really want to give you the surprise. So please like my this channel. I'm not saying to like the new one, just like the freaking that one, old one. So guys, first I'm gonna break this, as I'm going to show you the tutorial. As you'll see, I have done the thing with the conductive hand, and I'm going to unlock all these doors now. And here, what should we do? Oh, you have to use this glass here. No, maybe not. First I'm gonna break the smaller one here. Come on, and yeah, boom. And now I'm gonna break this one, and boom, and boom. Now I'm going to take this thing here, then I'm gonna burn this, and here. And I'm going to also take the electricity part here, and you have to use this in this part here. Boom! Look how this gate opens, and these gates also have opened. These gates, these freaking gates, these have opened like this. They open. Okay, so now in here you have to unlock all this door by your this one power. Boom. Whoa, yeah, this is called programming. Boom. You take here again, and then boom, and here it gone burn. You take here then, and then you do it here, and boom. And this is how they don't open. I mean, yeah, they are opening now. Yay, just open it fast as you can. And here you go in here, you put the scanner in here, and the blue scanner here, and my both fingers are being scanned, my both hands, and like that you do like this. And then also there is also one more there. There is one more there, and I'm going to do. Yay! Just open fast. Yeah. So now let's start by the Yarnabi map. Let's go! Yay! Oh, so you start with this. So let's go. Oh, wait. What the? I just fell here in a matter of time, man. Hui. Okay, I'm gonna shut this door. And then you do here. Woo! Yeah, is the door shuttered? No. Yeah, I think it's shuttered. And now I'm gonna turn my torch here because we are going up like this. Woo! I am scared, super scared. I am. Man, turn on my torch. Ooh, where is Yara? Yari. I call Yarnabi Yari, and Yarnabi is right there, so I have to go like this. Yarnabi. Oh, Yarnabi, अटक गया क्या? Yari. लगता है he is attacked. Wait, he's not attacked. Oh shit, he's coming. I have to got here, what am I saying? Got here. Oh, he's attacked. Yari, you attacked here. Oh, I don't. This thing brings me closer, man. You attacked, man. Yari. Yari. Beta Yari. Very good, you attacked there. Very good. I appreciate your efforts. Very good. So now I'm going to complete this level very nicely. First you do this here. Hey, what was he doing with those 2 batteries, man? He can't change hands like that. You know, if you take 2 batteries in your hand, you can't change. And Yarnami is attacked. So I'm not like this. There's a glitch, so I have to do jump and then like this. Now, oh yes, we have to remove the freaking poppy gel from here. The restorative gel mixture. And boomra. And Jaspreet, boomra. Yeah. Man, my torch is... Man. I'm turning on black light. Yes. Now from there I'm going to... Yeah. Open up, boy. And... अरे ये क्या है? हाँ, ये ना करके ना पहले ना ये कर लेते हैं, उसके पावर रिस्टोर करके आएंगे हम, ठीक है? वहाँ पे जाके हम पावर रिस्टोर करके आएंगे. पहले इसको कर लेते हैं. ओए हाँ, ओए 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 हाँ. What? Oh, so I didn't made a round here. And then, man, why do you do this? And yes, and then boom, yeah, boy. And we have to take the battery from here, and then we have to go here, and then we put this here. चलो पहले ना वो रिस्टोर करके आता है. यार अभी तो ये पे अटका ही हुआ है, तो ये तो हमारे लिए सही बात है बहुत ज़्यादा. इसको हटाने का कोई लाभ नहीं है. आई थिंक मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं, वैसे भी हट तो गया है ना. पावर रिस्टोर करके ना यहाँ से बैटरी ले लेते हैं हम, ठीक है? यहाँ से. अरे कहाँ से खुलता है गेट? हाँ, खुल गया. अब यहाँ से हम पावर लेंगे. ले लिया. I can't see anything even with my... He just done. And then... Yes, I've done it. Now the power should be come back in no time like this. Yeah, and yes, I was about to take the battery here. I'm going to take the battery from here. I'm going to use this power. And then... Wait, कहाँ है? चलो मैं... I have to use this power. And I have to keep an eye on Globby so that he doesn't make any noises like that. So I come here, I come up here, and then you put this here. And then, done. Now give me the battery. I said, give me the battery. Hey, that's my battery, man. Give me. Now, how will I open that door, man? What? What the heck? How will I open the door there? The freaking door. I hate this. वैसे भी Yarnabi can't do anything right over there. I'm gonna press this here. Yarnabi can't do anything. Jab. Ooh, man. Come on, man. Ah. And that was wrong, I knew. Boom. Man. Man. Why did I put the battery there, man? The freaking battery. Wait, I think I have to go and take a battery. I have to go and take a battery from there, maybe. Maybe I go here and then I take a battery. I take a battery from here. Yes. And then I go back here. And then... Oh, that means I shut the door here. And then you go here and there and... Yes. Where's the lift? Proper glitch. Proper glitch, guys. Proper glitch. Man, क्या करते रहते हो यार? क्या करते रहते हो? ओए, कहाँ जा रहा हूँ? अच्छा, ले. Oh, you touch that part and you respawn here. So I have to put the battery back there. And now I am going to do. चले जाए यहाँ पे चुपचाप से. And then I have to do. Oh, who's there? Diego. Oh, he's the one prototype who's the top donator. He is again here to play the game. I showed you in my पिछला video. He's again to play here. Oh, I was already here. I'm scared of Huggy Wuggy. He ate me three times. Guys, I will give you a challenge. If I lose this time, just unsubscribe my channel, okay? If I get eaten by Huggy Wuggy. Oh, if I get eaten by Huggy Wuggy, unsubscribe my channel. Oh, please don't. मेरे सब्सक्राइबर्स दाव पे लगे हैं. अरे चल जा. Oh shit, please. Yeah, I did it. Yay. Why am I not? No worries, I can do like this though. Yes. How do you like? Wow. Wait, coming back. So guys, I'm back at the part here. Yeah, now I killed him. Yeah, I killed him. Yeah. Do you like this? Do you like this? Do you like this? Wait a minute. Oh, I hear Huggy Wuggy. Oh, where is he bamming, man? He's not here, man. Where is he bamming me? I will keep this with me. Where was I? Yeah, this was the Rasta, right? Oh! Hey! What you doing there? So, I think this got a glitch video. And yes, I have to be attacked again. I have to do this run again. And I'm sorry, Huggy Wuggy. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry, Huggy Wuggy. I'm really sorry, but I'm leaving now. Oh, I'm being attacked. Oh, बच गया. Oh. If I do it again. Huggy? Man, where is he, man? If I open the gate and then do it, what will happen then? If I open the gate and then do, let's see how what is happen. And he's back here at the center. Looks like I have to do it all again. Come on, open. Oh, whoa. Huggy? अरे Huggy Wuggy आ जा बेटे. Huggy इधर भाई. Oh, shut the door. Oh, he can't come. Yeah, Huggy Wuggy, you love this. He can't come there, man. Huggy, you can't come. Yeah, just get away. I'm gonna put this pressure. Man. Look, guys. Where is Huggy Wuggy now? Huh? He ran away. Wait. Huggy? What's he doing over there? Man, रुक जा, निकाल के रखो. ओए! Oh, so he attacks there. Oh, this is a very nice glitch I discovered. Huggy? Aja. Slam it on your head. Huggy. You love it. You love it. You deserve this though. Uh-oh. He's after me. He's after me. Huggy. So what you are thinking you'll do, Huggy? Huggy. Man, what glitch am I doing, man? Huggy. Huggy. Is that gate open? So he can come through. Wait, I have one more glitch. Come here, and then come here. Bye bye. If I no. Wait. आ गया. Man, what am I doing? Oh shit. If I trap in here, ले. Oh, चला गया. And man, where is he tapping, man, when he is not there? I love this glitch though. And here he is. Whoa, hello. मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. अरे बचाओ. ओए अटक गया. आजा. ओए खींचना मेरे को. एंड ओए बंद करो. ओए आ गया. ओह, he ate me. अरे यार, इसकी ऐसी की तैसी यार. आजा यार मेरे हाथे. Man, I can't. What happened to my hand? Hey, I'm touching that part. Oi, it doesn't come. Come. It's pulling me there. I think I have to go to that way. Wait. अरे जाने दे. It's pulling me so hard. Whoa. It's pulling me. My Huggy power. I have to do it from there. Oh, now I can go. Let me go. It doesn't. Yeah. जोर लगा के. Aisha. What a glitch I made. जोर लगा के. Aisha. अरे यार. ओए गांठ लग गई मेरे ग्रैब पैक पे. पे. I think I have to do it from there. Man, मैं कहीं भी नहीं हिल सकता. ओए मेरे को लटका के रखा हुआ है यहाँ पे. एंड सतोरी गोजो बचाओ मुझे. ओए आजा. अरे वो आंटी बचा लो मुझे. आंटी हेल्प. इफ आई यहाँ पे हेल्प करूँ तो. मैन, व्हाट इज दिस? आई डिडंट से एनीथिंग. मैन, चैट ओपन करने की आजकल ये आ गया. हेल्प. Somebody help. help. So So guys, thank you for watching my video. I hope you didn't like my video. So यहाँ पे देखो कितना गंदा गांठ लग गया यहाँ पे. चलो भाई तेज दौड़ो. जोर लगा के आईशा, जोर लगा के आईशा, जोर लगा के आईशा. बहुत गंदा गांठ लग गया. So guys, I hope you love my glitches and bugs moment. So guys, thank you for watching my video. You loved my, and this is my ID here in the first, and you love my, I think. So thanks for watching. Bye bye. Meet you next time. But this gaunt is not opening. Yeah. So bye bye guys.